Want to memorize the Quran? Here's a method. In the beginning, start with memorizing 4 to 5 verses each day in case each verse is of 1 to 2 lines. You can increase or decrease accordingly. Point 1. Read your lesson looking on with full concentration and pronunciation tajweed. Point 2. Take one line. Try to learn it by not looking on. Point 3. Add one by one each line and complete one verse first. Point 4. When one verse is completed, make sure you have learned it perfectly. Point 5. Now repeat the process and learn all the verses of your daily lesson. Point 6. When you are done learning all the 4 to 5 verses of one day lesson, now repeat the full lesson and make sure you have learned your lesson perfectly. Next, while time is passing with doing 4 to 5 verses daily and now you trust yourself that you are doing well and you can increase your daily lesson by adding 2 to 3 verses, then do it and the learning process will remain the same. Note: you can learn your daily lesson and if you want to be more sure about learning, you can tell your lesson daily to someone who is available. Point 7. Don't forget to revise your previous pages every day. Point 8. Now increase your daily lesson to full page daily. Point 9. Mashallah, now you can look that you have done learning so much very easily and beautifully. Point 10. After Fajr prayer and after Maghrib prayer, these 2 times, they say are good for learning and memorizing the Quran. In one time you can learn your daily lesson in the previous pages, and in the other time you can revise your previous chapters paras daily. While time is passing and your memorization is growing, then follow this point in revising the previous chapters. Each day do revision of 3 pages or half chapter. What you can do easily you can go with that. First day first 3 pages of a chapter, the next day second 3 pages, third day third 3 pages and fourth day last 3 pages of a chapter, and this way revision of one chapter will be completed and then repeat the process with next chapter and so on.